Hi, I'm Sarah Currier with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results. If you're thinking about buying a home, I'm here to explain what the process really looks like and how we'll guide you every step of the way. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. It's exciting, but without the right support, it can feel overwhelming. That's where we come in, bringing clarity, strategy, and a trusted partnership from start to finish. We always begin with a one-on-one consultation. This is a relaxed, honest conversation about your goals, your timeline, and what matters most to you. We'll review how we'll communicate, how showings are handled, and how we'll work together using a buyer agreement that protects your interests from day one. It's also a chance for you to ask anything. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you've done this before, no question is too small. The more we know up front, the more personalized and proactive we can be throughout the process. Next comes pre-approval with a local lender. This is what gives you buying power. A strong pre-approval not only clarifies your budget, it also helps us write stronger offers. If you don't already have a lender, we're happy to connect you with someone we trust and work with regularly. Once you're pre-approved, we'll set you up with a personalized MLS-connected portal, the same one agents use, so you're always ahead of Zillow and other buyers. You'll get real-time alerts, and we'll also be keeping a close eye on off-market opportunities that could be a great fit. When it's time to tour properties, every showing helps us narrow in on what feels like the right fit. We'll talk openly about pros, cons, and market trends to make sure your decisions are informed, not rushed. And if you're relocating or have limited time to tour, we can preview homes or send video walkthroughs so you don't miss out. When you're ready to make an offer, we'll guide you through it with expert insight. We'll break down market conditions, seller motivation, and offer strategies including ways to stay competitive in multi-offer situations while still protecting your interests. If your offer is accepted, we'll coordinate inspections, appraisals, legal documents, and timelines, all the way to final walkthrough and closing day. We're here to manage the details, explain the fine print, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. And when you finally get those keys, that's just the beginning. Whether you need a contractor, want to explore refinancing, or are curious about your home's value years from now, I'll be here long after the closing table. I can be your go-to real estate resource for life, not just for this transaction. So if you're ready to make a move or just want to start the conversation, let's connect. Again, I'm Sarah Currier with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results, and I'd be honored to guide you through this next chapter.